To create an image into a 3D model like this, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, select and upload your desired image. For our prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT to make this image into a 3D model. I'm asking ChatGPT also to retain all the original elements so that it is identical to the initial reference. Now let's fire it up and see the result. Look at how great the quality of the image is. You could see the details of how well it turned out to be a 3D model. Now let's look at our reference. I got this from Pinterest and wanted to turn it into a 3D model. Now let's go back to our final output. ChatGPT really kept the elements and the details of our image into the final output. It really captured the cuteness and the vibe of our initial reference. Alright, so now you know how to make an image into a 3D model like this. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.